so that you guys can see this, we get the power supply. Now, basic power supply to get is a 350 to roughly like 550, depending on what you have on your computer. Because this computer is a very basic and simple PC, it's only going to use a 380 watt power supply. Now what we're going to do, we're just going to go and get this power supply. Let's see if I can flip it up. So yeah, flip it up. You get the power supply. Just go and slide it in the top so it's nice and secure. And we'll just let the wires hang down for right now. You get a little loud. And just turn it back around and put some screws in it. Now, there are screws that do come with your power supply. They are all different. Okay, so what you do is you get your basic screws. There's only 4 screws. There's only 4 screws. I normally do diagonal so that you get a perfect snugness. You know, that's not a word. On each corner, so that it's not lopsided when you only put it in 2 sides at once. A lot of this could be bleeped out. And then you just keep on screwing it in. And here you go. So this is our case with a power supply. Not so much nicer. Alright.